Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to send SMS message with Brevo. So sending SMS message with Brevo is a very straightforward process, and in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to set up your SMS campaign. So to set up your SMS campaign, you have to create an account on Brevo. So if you don't already have an account, sign up to the Brevo website, then create an account. Then after that, import your contact from the Brevo into Brevo. Then you can do this by going to the contact section, then upload a CSV file or manually add contact by yourself. And after that, you have to go to the campaign section and click on create a campaign, then choose the SMS option. And from there, give your campaign a clear and a descriptive name. Then write your SMS message in the content editors. Then you can include link and personalize the message with the placeholder like the recipient's first name and all of that. Then use the preview features to see how your message will look on a mobile device. And after that, choose the sender name for your campaign. Then the maximum length is 11 characters. Then after that, before sending your campaign, also send a test SMS to your own number to ensure everything looks good. Then after that, you can simply purchase SMS credit. So to do that, if you haven't already buy SMS credits you can simply do that by going to the consumption and package. Then from there, click on the WhatsApp and SMS, then get more credit. Then after that, once you're satisfied with your message schedule it before a specific time or send it immediately to your contact list. And that's it. That's a simple guide on how to send SMS message with Brevo. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.